जय भारत दोस्तों, आज मैं सुदामनी। आज हम करेंगे प्रीलिम्स स्पेसिफिक न्यूज़। ओके, जो है 13 जनवरी की। तो इसमें हम आज टॉपिक है सुल्तानपुर नेशनल पार्क। ये न्यूज़ में क्यों? बर्ड फ्लू की वजह से दिल्ली में यहाँ पे कुछ कंफर्म केसेस आए हैं। सो for that purpose we should know everything about Sultanpur National Park. So where is Sultanpur National Park? Gurgaon district of Haryana. Sultanpur National Park is a bird paradise for bird watchers. It is famous for migratory as well resident birds. Resident birds के लिए भी famous है, migratory birds के लिए भी। यहाँ पे birds arrive करती है सितंबर में। वो कब तक रेस्ट? मार्च अप्रैल तक उनका रेस्टिंग प्लेस है। नेक्स्ट हिस्ट्री, जो नेशनल पार्क डिक्लेयर हुआ था 1991 में हुआ था। नाउ नेक्स्ट दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट व्हाट आर द fauna of this park which is important. So mammals, black buck, nilgai, hog deer, sambar, leopard, etc. And birds we can see Siberian cranes, greater flamingo, Damosli crane, etc. And one another national park in Haryana, that is Kalesar National Park, district Yamunanagar. Okay, I think you understood this. Next topic is Sea Whistle. So second edition came of biennial Pan India, that is it's kind of coastal defense exercise. Its name is Sea Whistle 21. Okay, for geographically extent we can see what is important. I've highlighted the point so you can understand which is more important while you are making the notes. Okay, 7,516 kilometer coastline. It is exclusive economic zone of India. What are the stakeholders, means who are getting benefited from this? First one is Indian Navy, that have 13 coastal states and union territories too. With it, fishing, coastal communities and other maritime stakeholders, सबको इससे इफेक्टिव फ़ायदा होगा। जो ये कंडक्ट किया गया है किसके थ्रू किया गया है? बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस, होम अफेयर्स, शिपिंग, पेट्रोलियम, नेचुरल गैस, फिशरीज, कस्टम, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड अदर एजेंसीज। सेंटेंस, I don't think this is important as far as UPSC concerned. And we can move on to objectives. Objective is to serve a larger purpose. Okay, for the larger purpose this exercise has been done. It provide opportunity to access the preparedness so that we can prepare and domain of maritime security and coastal defense. Next, exercise 2021. This version is for realistic assessment. What are the strength and weakness by being, and we can strengthen मतलब this maritime and national security we can provide it more strengthening. Significance, it is reorganized after the 26/11 terror attack. We are see to footage watch. Okay, next is this exercise is up towards major theater level exercise tropex. You can put this, UPSC can however as tropex is related to. Okay, so read according this. And tropex, theater level readiness operational exercise. I don't think this direct question will come by this full form of it, but you should know this tropex, so you can anyhow link that it is related to exercise. And this sea vigil and tropic, this tropics together cover what? Entire spectrum of maritime security challenges. Next we are coming to recoiling black hole. Now what was in the news? The news was that black hole was located at the center of Abell 2261, that is enormous galaxy cluster 2.7 billion light years away from the planet. Okay, now you should know what is the large galaxy in the universe. So black hole is at the center. Okay, everyone know that, whose mass is millions or billions of times that of the sun. Next, black hole is at the center of a galaxy. You can see this picture, the Milky Way, and it is also called Sagittarius A, and 26,000 light years away from the earth. Next is recoiling black hole. ब्लैक होल में क्या किया गया कि साइंटिस्ट हैव बीन आई डोंट थिंक दीज डेटा गैदर 1999 2004 दैट इज important, but you can go one through like center of the Abell galaxy, unable to find it, black hole and all these things. Next, this is important. What are recoiling black holes? Recoiling means होता है हटना. तो when two black holes merge, जब दो black holes एक दूसरे से merge होते, they release करते हुए करते gravitational waves, invisible ripples traveling at the speed of light. Next is asymmetry. The gravitational waves produce massive kick in the one preferred direction, particular direction. This is called recoil. Single supermassive black hole moving in distinct direction away from the center. Speed eject merging binary black holes. Gobler cluster. Recoiling black hole Now you must basically know what's the meaning of black hole. So these are the diagrams mentioned here. Like black hole is particular reason where pulling force of gravity is so much strong. Okay, neither matter nor light can escape. Nothing can escape from it. But this phenomenon occurs when it occurs when a star is dying. Okay, anything approaching a black hole, no return is called. That's called event horizon and consume forever. No light can escape. Black hole is invisible. Advanced Space Telescope can identify black holes. In 2019 NASA released first ever photograph. फर्स्ट टाइम हमें नासा से रिलीज किया था जो फोटोग्राफ 2019 में Event Horizon Telescope. Next topic is Euphranta ceruvani. It is just one kind of fruit fly, and where it is found, it's found in Coimbatore district in Tamil Nadu. Its name is called Siruvani. This is ecological hotspot. For that, you must know what is ecological hotspot. Means the areas with outstanding, which have very nice biodiversity, high concentration of biological value. That particular area or that spot is called ecological hotspot. Fruit fly Euphranta siruvani is belong to family Tepridae. Okay, for the state PSC or this fact type of you can learn this. And see, you know that 104 new known species we have know from this genus Euphranта, and 14 are from India itself. The discovery of Euphranta siruvani is new addition. This is the new one. Next, though fruit fly is there, what is the specialty about it, or what's the feature? There's a V-shaped black band. One black band is there on the wing. That is prominent subapical band. It lay eggs in the fruits and larvae feed on the pulp. Okay. Next topic is so important as the economics point of view. Legal entity identifier LEI system. This is introduced by RBI for what? For all payment instructions of the 50 crores or above. For that, two features you have to see: that NEFT, that is National Electronic Fund Transfer, and next RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement. So legal entity identified was, it's the 20-digit number uniquely identified which is parties to financial transaction worldwide. Entity identifier has been developed by International Organization for Standardization. Next, the improved the quality and accuracy of financial data system. It is for what? Risk management. Next, LEI is introduced by RBI, that is in a phased manner over the counter derivative. It is recognized an issuer of LEI. Why it is needed? Because once in 2008 there was financial crisis, so that time no single code was there for each financial institution. So every country has their set of identity number. So for what they have set of number to access risk exposure, to resolve it, to solve or reduce the risk issue. Next is heliophysics mission. NASA has approved two heliophysics mission to that system that derives space weather than neither Earth. So we were about this heliophysics mission to explore sun and system derived space weather near Earth. So NASA contribution to the following is to understand the sun को समझने के लिए Earth as an interconnected system, that they are connected or interconnected to it. Extreme ultraviolet high throughout spectroscopic telescope Appleton mission. That shortcut is EUVST. EZIE, that is Electrojet Geman Imaging Explorer. This is to derive the solar wind and solar explosion that could help us to predict these events. Next is, now as you know, EUVST, it is for what? So Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency JAXA lead to EUVST Appleton mission. It was launched in, or it is targeted to launch in 2026. I'm so sorry, targeted to launch for 2026. That is the solar telescope, and it will help us to how we can study how the solar atmosphere releases solar wind, derive eruptions of solar material. Next, how different magnetic and plasma process derive coronal and heating the energy release. So EZIE, it will be launched in 2024 to study the electric current. जो अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है, लिंकिंग ऑरा टू अर्थ मैग्नेटोस्फीयर, इन सबसे रिलेटेड. इट इज़ द स्टडी द सोर्स एंड चेंजेस इन द ऑरल इलेक्ट्रोजोड. This is to compress the sun facing side, sun जिसे face कर side को, to magnetosphere, cause interference with radio and communication signals, utility grids. You can see this diagram. It is very well mentioned. See, this earth is facing the sun and this we are seeing sun facing. Next is Khadi Prakritik Paint. This Khadi Prakritik Paint is by Union Minister for MSME by Nitin Gadkari. He launched this. It's an innovative new paint. It is for what? It is first time a product that has come, that is antifungal, antibacterial properties. This is purely eco-friendly. This is non-toxic paint means it will not hurt anyone, no toxic in it, and it is based on cow dung. And it is cost effective, even it is odorless, and developed by Khadi and Village Industries Commission. It has been certified by Bureau of Indian Standards. Benefits will be what? It will be free from heavy metals. The heavy metals which is lead, mercury, chromium, arsenic, cadmium, others, as these matters include and it affects our body. So these all metals are not included in the. It will boost to local manufacturing. What the local manufacturing, like cow dung and all these will be used. So it will boost that local manufacturing and it will create sustainable local development. And it will also help in local employment through technological transfer. Thank you friends. This was for the today. For prelims specific news, I have made a video. I hope you all are preparing well, and don't worry, you can do that. You all can do that. Just you need a little hard work and you can do it. I'll upload more videos for this fine art so we can complete our art and culture soon, and then we can go on. And I've started this initiative for this current affairs also daily so that you can cover it simultaneously. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Makar Sankranti.